Robbie is an Australian actress and producer. Her work includes both blockbuster and independent films, and her accolades include nominations for 3 Academy Awards, 6 BAFTA Awards and 4 Golden Globe Awards. Robbie was born on 2 July 1990 in Dalby, Queensland to Doug Robbie, a former farm owner and sugarcane tycoon, and Sarie Kessler. Robbie and her siblings were raised by their single mother and had minimal contact with their father. The family spent the majority of Robbie's upbringing on her grandparents' Currumbin Valley farm in the Gold Coast hinterland. An energetic child, Robbie often put on shows in her house. She was enrolled in a circus school by her mother, where she excelled in trapeze, in which she received a certificate at age 8. In high school, Robbie studied drama at Somerset College. As a teenager, she worked 3 jobs. She tended a bar, cleaned houses, and worked at Subway. After graduation with a few commercials and independent thriller films on her resume, Robbie relocated to Melbourne to begin acting professionally. Robbie met British assistant director Tom Ackerley on the set of Sweet franchise in 2013. In 2014, she moved to London with Ackerley and Lucky Chap Entertainment co-founders Sophia Carr and Jose McNamara. Later that year, Robbie and Ackerley began a romantic relationship. In December 2016, they married in a private wedding ceremony in Byron Bay, Australia. The couple resides in Venice Beach, California. In 2023, Robbie produced Funnel's second directorial Saltburn. The 2024 Sundance Film Festival marked the release of her next production, Megan Park's comedy film My Old Ass. Robbie will next star alongside Colin Farrell in Coconada's film A Big Bold Beautiful Journey. In 2022, Robbie reprised her role as Donna Friedman for the final episode of Neighbours. She starred alongside an ensemble cast in David O. Russell's period comedy Amsterdam, based on the 1933 business plot. In 2021, Robbie reprised her voice role as Flopsy Rabbit in Peter Rabbit 2, The Runaway, which received mixed reviews and grossed $153.8 million worldwide. She also made her third outing as Queen in the standalone sequel The Suicide Squad, written and directed by James Gunn. Also in 2019, she starred as Kayla Pospisil, a composite character based on several Fox News employees in Jay Roach's drama Bombshell, co-starring Charlize Theron and Nicole Kidman. The film recounts stories of various female personnel at the news network and their sexual harassment by the network's chairman Roger Ailes. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood premiered at the 2019 Cannes Film Festival to critical acclaim and was a commercial success with a worldwide gross of $374.3 million. Despite many bemoaning Robbie's lack of lines in the film 74, Robbie Collin of The Daily Telegraph highlighted a scene with Robbie in the cinema, which he found to be the film's most delightful scene.